If you're planning to start a business in Nevada, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Nevada even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why choose an LLC in Nevada? Well, for one, you have robust asset protection and tax advantages. That means you get to keep more of what your business earns. That alone makes Nevada a powerful choice for maximizing profitability. Of course, you have enhanced privacy. This gives business owners like you an added layer of confidentiality and peace of mind. And of course, Nevada offers a business-friendly environment. The filing process is streamlined, the regulations are straightforward, and of course, the overall environment is designed to support growth while minimizing admin hassle. After that is choosing a name for your Nevada LLC. You want to make sure that your LLC name must be unique in Nevada, including Limited Liability Company, LLC or L.L.C. and avoid restricted words like bank, insurance, because these require special approval from relevant state agencies. Now, if you have a desired business name in mind, all you have to do is very simple. Go to Nevada Secretary of State Business Search. Type in your desired name. Now, if no exact match appears, the name is available and good to go, and you can reserve that name for 90 days for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Nevada requires every LLC to have a registered agent. Now, the registered agent receives all the legal documents and accepts all the official state notices. They must have a physical address in Nevada and must be available during normal business hours. Now, you can be an agent yourself provided that you meet all the state legal requirements but what we highly suggest is to hire a professional registered agent service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Okay, so the official step that creates your LLC is filing the Articles of Organization. This is a foundational step to form your LLC. Now, you have two ways to do it. One option is by mail, which is kind of like the slowest option, and the fastest option is filing it online. All I have to do is very simple. You just have to go to the Nevada Secretary of State, provide the LLC name, registered agent details, management structure, if it's going to be like member manage or manager manage. Now, filing through online gives you the fee of $75, and after that is the next step, creating an operating agreement. Now, let me tell you that Nevada doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but it's strongly recommended because it outlines the ownership percentage, management roles, profit distribution, rules for disputes or exits, and of course, it keeps this for internal records. You don't file it with the state. Next is we need to get an EIN or Employer Identification Number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Now that your LLC is officially formed, the next step is making sure your business is properly licensed and legally allowed to operate in Nevada. Number one is going to be about the Nevada State Business License. Make sure you renew this license annually, as letting it lapse can put your LLC out of good standing with the state. And of course, in terms of the local licenses and permits, requirements vary by location. So it's important to check with your local city hall or county office to confirm what's needed for your specific business. And of course, you want to make sure to not miss a renewal because it can lead to penalties, fines, or even suspensions of your business operations. Now, by staying organized and renewing on time, you'll ensure your Nevada LLC remains legally compliant and ready to operate without interruptions. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Nevada. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, because this process is super simple, and let's begin with the order section. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is going to be LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. So think of this as your checkout overview. Now, the next is going to be the company section, collecting the basic details about your business. So it shows the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney. And then there is going to be an option for the business purpose, if you wanted to provide, and the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, the next is going to be the management section. This is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member managed, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager managed, which means you hire a manager to run the business for you. Now, if you are not sure on what to check or to select on the management type, don't worry, because click the question mark icon here, because this helps you determine who has authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of any members or managers, you can do this. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, this is going to be an added service if you wanted, like if you want to have a tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service. But if you want to skip all these, you can do that, especially if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, and confirm login details. Because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, and of course, view scanned mail and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment tab. It shows you the credit or debit card details, of course, the review of total cost, and the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Nevada which is a solid choice for many business owners thanks to its business-friendly environment, strong privacy protections, and lack of state income tax. However, it's important to factor in the higher annual fees compared to other states and make sure Nevada is the right fit for where and how you actually operate your business. If you're looking for flexibility, legal protection, and reputable state to form your LLC, Nevada can be a great option as long as you stay compliant and plan ahead. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.